Hey guys, how are you all doing? So today we're finally back with a simple tutorial on how to use NPM packages with Xano. This is a game changer solution that you need to use in your projects. NPM pretty much is a huge library of code solutions that are already there publicly that you can have access through a Node.js server that you would have needed to set up in the past. Now you can use them directly from your Lambda functions in your Xano instance, and that's nuts. I want to show you an example. You don't even need to go into the NPM page site to look for packages and solutions. Literally, the only thing that you need to do is go into your Xano API editor, create a Lambda function, click on Lambda system, and type what you're looking for. Obviously, if there's not a specific solution for your needs, I guess it won't work. But for example, here I type transform a URL into a QR code. I didn't type it wrong, but whatever. Transform a URL into a QR code. And it import the NPM library and it used the whole solution. Um, and and that's crazy. It returned a base64 string that is pretty much the image, and I'm just going to render that into the front end. I will show you the whole setup. This is, the Webflow site. We have a form here, a button, an image that will be rendering the base64 string. And I already created a request that whenever we submit this form, it, sends the request and it returns the data. So let me just show you here, finstreet.com. I submit that and it returns the base64 string. If you scan this with your computer, you will see that is the finstreet.com site. And it's not how quickly we can create this type of solution that would have cost us money in the past, because in the past we would have need to hire third-party tools to do this type of things. I hope you guys like this type of quick tutorials. We will be back with way many more tutorials, more basic ones for beginners that want to get started with Webflow and Xano. I hope you guys like this one. Thank you so much for watching.